Dongguang Xingke Electronics Technique Limited Company was established in 2006. We are an ISO 9001-2015 certified professional manufacturer of AC/DC switching power supplies. With 15 years of exporter experience and its highly skilled engineering team in-house, offers both standard and custom-designed AC/DC switching power supplies, which including the PD fast charger, wall mount power adapter, desktop power adapter, battery charger, LED power driver, and customized open frame power supplies. The standard AC/DC power adapter ranging from 1 watt to 120 watts, and the ODM power supplies provides from 5 watt to 2000 watts. Xingke has 100% owned their factory, over total 6,700 square meters production area, and with its own R&D labs and completed manufacturing process in-house to develop new products, and provides technical support to its ODM and OEM global customers in a timely fashion. To offer high-quality products, all our AC/DC power adapters are approved by CE, GS, TUV, UL, CUL, FCC, PSE, KC, SAA, SMARC, BIS, CB, CCC, ROSE, REACH. Along with its high growth of sales, Xingke naturally matured into ISO 9001 design and documentation practices from the beginning. W&T will continue to invest more resources in R&D and expand its production capacity, as well as enhance its competitive advantages. Xingke has been working as a reliable partner with customers, suppliers, contractors, and employees to build long-lasting mutual trust relationships based on the highly quality and professional service.